Hello, and welcome to today's 2-minute book review. We're covering Rich Dad, Poor Dad, What the Rich Teach Their Kids About Money That the Poor and Middle Class Do Not, by Robert T. Kiyosaki. If you're interested in personal finance and wealth building, this book is definitely worth a read. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a classic book that has inspired millions of people to think differently about money and financial success. One of the things we really appreciated about this book is that it's not just about money, but about the mindset and habits that can lead to financial success. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial literacy, investing, and entrepreneurship in building wealth. The book is structured as a series of stories and lessons learned from Kiyosaki's two dads, his real father, who was financially unsuccessful, and his friend's father, who was wealthy and successful. Through these stories, Kiyosaki illustrates the key differences in the way that the rich and the poor think about and approach money. Overall, we highly recommend Rich Dad, Poor Dad to anyone interested in personal finance and wealth building. It's a thought-provoking and inspiring read that will definitely change the way you think about money. If it helps, in the video description, you'll find our favorite quotes, additional key concepts, and pros and cons to consider before picking up Rich Dad, Poor Dad. That's our 2-minute review of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our next 2-minute book review. Until next time, enjoy learning something new and have a productive day.